YouTube, what's going on? Those who ain't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you guys check out my other work. I'm pretty sure you find something interesting on my channel. And those who want me to curse, well, then you fucking got it. I'm gonna fucking curse. I be trying to, you know, in some of these how-to videos, instructional videos at that, I've been getting kind of comments every now and then that, you know, some, you know, guys can't show this to their students, I guess in tech school or whatever. You know, you want to show them cool videos before they get into something intricate, and I pop up and you got me mouthing off with a lot of profanity. Now, there's going to be limitations maybe on videos just like the one I posted with the low control arm on the Volvo XC90. Probably going to start, you know, just cutting out the cussing on that. I did a tremendous job on cutting back on cursing, but you know, I feel like, you know, I'm not being myself, and, you know, my guys like me for who I am, so I want to stick to that character. So sometimes I will curse, and sometimes I won't curse, but in this video, I'm going to fucking cuss, and I'm going to be my motherfucking self. So what you see right here is an engine. This is the engine that's getting swapped over. This is the junk engine. There's a hole, this engine is junk. There's a hole right on the side of the fucking block. I don't know if the piston tried to jump out or whatever, but yeah, it's like chips of the fucking block just resting there by the oil filter housing, and it is what it is. But this is out of a 2005 Cadillac SRX, the one with the North Star engine, not the punk ass fucking 3.6, the fucking North Star V8. I think it's a 4.6 or a 4.8. I don't know. I'm not a no fucking North Star specialist. I'm just swapping over the fucking engine because that's what the fuck I do. I swap shit. And yeah, that's that. So, title of this video, I'm sorry for making this intro so long, but it's my fucking video, right? But title of this video, I want to talk about safety, and I also want to talk about just, you know, being comfortable while you're working. And if you guys notice, I went out and bought this seat. And let me go over here and get the box. I got this shit from Harbor Freight, of course, and I know you guys got this seat. If you got this seat, take a seat and shut the fuck up and let me talk to my goddamn viewers and shit, because it's my goddamn channel. And I got this roller seat. It was, I don't know if it was on sale, but it is priced for $25.99, and after taxes came up to $27 and some fucking change and shit. And I know you're like, oh, the 25% coupon or 20%. No, I'm saving my goddamn coupon for something fucking major, so that way I can get a fucking better fucking deal and shit. So I didn't cry over fucking $2 extra over this shit. So it is what it is. But I got this, it's called pneumatic roller seat. You get it from your local Harbor Freight, or you got Craftsman, Snap-on. I don't know what brand you want. It's up to fucking you and shit. I got this seat because, you know, I just doing engines and transmissions all the time. You will be squatting, doing a lot of squatting, being in a lot of awkward positions. So, you know, at this working long hours, you will be working, you know, 8-hour shifts or 12-hour shifts, or you want to be that overachiever and you be in the shop late as hell. It's up to you, whatever. You're going to be in the most awkward positions for very long periods of fucking times and shit. And that shit does take a toll on your fucking body the older you get. Now, I'm fucking 30 years old. I'm in great shape. I'm in my prime. I'm in great shape. I'm still athletic. I'm in fucking shape. I still feel like I'm fucking 15. But, you know, that don't mean, you know, just because my fucking knees hurt from being in an awkward fucking position and shit that I'm getting old or whatever. It's not my issue. My issue is just I want to be comfortable while I'm working, so that way I won't fuck up my goddamn knees. So this is just a prevention for me, you know, just preventing, you know, major shit that could possibly happen to my fucking knees in the fucking future. I went out and bought this fucking seat, and I can roll around. Just literally roll the fuck around this shit. I can scoop your girl up with this shit. Jazz, you watching this, just let me talk my shit. But I can scoop your girl, I can roll up on your girl like this. Get your ass in here. And roll right the fuck back, just like that. And, you know, I can just maneuver all around. Just grab my damn air gun, zip, zip, bam, bam. You know, take off the power steering pump. Damn, let me do the Bob Kirby grab here. Damn, let me go over here and rotate the crank. Overall, you know, I can just be stationed on fucking wheels. I ain't bending, I ain't squatting, I ain't just putting tension on my body. I'm comfortable, I'm working, and that was the reason why I got this fucking seat, and I should have gotten a seat like this a long time ago. I've had many of these seats, this same particular one and the other one, but this it's been a while since I've copped one, so I copped one today. So it is what it is, and yeah, just be comfortable. And as of today, my knees don't hurt. I'm not in any awkward positions and shit, man. I'm fucking comfortable, and that's all that matters. Now, next, we want to talk about safety glasses. You probably see every now and then. Let me go ahead and grab a pair. Let me go ahead and get it, because I know you're like, well, Leek, I don't see you with safety glasses on. But believe it or not, if I can find them, give me 1 second. I can't find it, but yeah, I can't find the safety glasses. Here we go. Give me 1 second. But safety glasses is really important, and let me give you a few rundowns on why I like to wear safety glasses whenever whenever I feel like I need to wear them. But which is, I really wear these all the time, but sometimes I don't wear them. But I always wear them when something drops in my eye. You're going to be dealing with these cars, especially guys like me that live up north. I'm in Pennsylvania, or anybody lives in New York, or Massachusetts, or Rhode Island, or whatever. I don't know. You guys are going to be subject to a lot of rust, a lot of goddamn rust, and being under the undercarriage and shit, and rust and shit is going to get in your goddamn eye. That is not, you don't want rust in your eye, because that shit will roll in the back of your damn eye, and you're going to be that clown in the hospital getting surgery done, or getting something stuffed in your eye trying to get that piece of particle out. Safety glasses are important. Fluids. I couldn't tell you to stress this. I done had fuel, gasoline in my eye. That shit burns. When I say that shit burns, it fucking burns. It's excruciating fucking pain, and that's all you need to know. Power steering fluid, I done had that in my eye. Brake fluid, I done had that in my eye. Coolant, I done had that in my damn eye. Safety glasses, goggles, whatever you got, eye protection is very fucking important and shit. Or you ain't got no eyes, you can't make no money to do jobs like this, because you didn't injured yourself and shit. So be the fuck careful. Wear some goddamn safety glasses and shit. So that's all I wanted to talk to you guys about. Comfortability and fucking safety and shit. And you just watch out for flying parts and shit, taking a toll on your body. Just be careful when you're doing jobs like this. This is a big ass fucking job. This is heavy fucking parts, and you don't want to hurt yourself. You want to be able to get through your work day, come in the next day, and come in the following day, and so on and so on. So there's certain ways you go about things when you doing jobs like this. So make sure you guys check out. I got part 2 and I got part 1. I'm going to keep doing these parts, because these engines and transmissions is going to keep coming in. So probably when I do the transmission on the G37. I figure out something to talk about. There's always something to talk about. So you guys like shop talk. I noticed that. So that's what we're going to keep on doing. So make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.